Assalamualaikum viewers, hope so you will be fine. जुलियाना उस्मान आपकी खिदमत में हाजिर हैं and welcome to my YouTube channel. As I have told you earlier that I have started this vocabulary session and these words I always derive from Dawn newspaper. I really do work hard for you, but I have decided that I will also assess you. So I am giving you one word. You should search the meaning of this word, and if you know the meaning of that word already, then you can make sentences yourself. So I am giving the word futile. Must think about it. I will tell you later on. You have 30 seconds and you can search the meaning, or if you know, then you can convert this word in sentence. So let's start our test now. So, what you thought about this word? What do you think that, what is the meaning of this word? The futile means useless. Do you know what is the meaning of useless? It means bekar. Yeah, waste of time. Or waste of exerting efforts. If you knew the meaning of futile, I hope so you have same meaning in your mind. It means useless, waste of time, or waste of exerting efforts. Do you know what is the meaning of exerting efforts? मतलब कि कोशिश लगाना, कोशिश करना. We use here word exert. So I am, you make sentences. I am also making sentences. Then you have to match your sentence with my sentence. If the meanings are same, it means you are doing well. But if the meanings are not same, so you have to do still work hard. Alright? So just we come towards answer. Example. It is futile to make him understand. See, it is futile to make him understand. यानी कि उसे समझाना बेकार है. Alright? So this was first sentence. You can see here. It is futile to start negotiation on this issue. It is futile to start negotiation on this issue, such as Kashmir issue. Pakistan and India are continuously negotiating with each other, but it seems futile. लेकिन ये सब कुछ बेकार नजर आ रहा है. What is the meaning of negotiation? It means गुफ्तो शनी, dialogues. Alright? So I have made these sentences. Now it's your turn that you have to also make sentence, so as you can understand the meaning and the use of this word in the form of sentences. Alright, so we go towards the next word. So the second word is grimy. Have you ever heard about grimy? Do you know the meaning of grooming? If you know the meaning of grooming, then think and make sentence and match your sentence with my sentences and match your meaning with my written meaning. Okay, so let's start our test now. Grooming. Do you know the meaning of grooming? It means dirty. Dirty, ganda. So how I will use this word in sentence? Let me make the sentence for you. If you have made the sentence, must match your sentence with my sentence. Grooming. His clothes. Grimy and blood stain. His clothes were grimy and blood stained. Blood stained का मतलब क्या है? Means जिस पर खून के धब्बे हों. तो stain has been used here for धब्बा, for spots. ब्लड, खून के धब्बे, मतलब कि उसके कपड़े जो थे वो गंदे थे और खून के धब्बे उस पर लगे हुए थे. Alright, so it was the sentence of the word grimy. I'm making another sentence. You can also think about it. You can see here Karachi is a big city but it is grimy and overpopulated. क्या मतलब हुआ कि कराची एक बड़ा शहर है लेकिन ये गंदा है और ओवर पॉपुलेटेड, ये बहुत गुंजान आबाद है, यानी कि यहाँ बहुत ज़्यादा आबादी है. So the Urdu meaning is ganda and the English meaning is dirty, and these are two sentences. It is your duty now that you have to make third and fourth sentences. ठीक है? Now we move towards third sentence. The third word is holistic. If you know the meaning, just think about it. Just think Urdu meaning of this word in your mind and also make sentence. Or you can search the dictionary also. You are allowed to do so. So think about it. I have taught you a lot of things. A lot of words are taught by me. But now I want to know that how many words have you learned already? So the word holistic means entire or whole. Alright? मतलब तमाम, मजमूई तौर पर. मजमूई तौर पर. So how I will make the sentence of this word? Example. My doctor suggested me प्रिस्क्राइब मी, ठीक है, डॉक्टर हमेशा हमेशा प्रिस्क्राइब करता है. यू शुड नो द एक्चुअल यूज ऑफ वर्ड्स. माई डॉक्टर प्रिस्क्राइब मी द होलिस्टिक treatment, holistic treatment that includes herbs and vitamins. And it will improve my body functioning. Look, I have made a sentence. Before this video, I did not know the meaning of this word, but I have searched the meaning, and I have also searched these sentences, and I made these sentences by myself. So if you do a little hard work, you can also know the meanings and the use of these words, and you can use these words in your sentences, in this way your writing skills will be enhanced. All right, you can see here, my doctor prescribed me the holistic treatment that includes herbs and vitamins, and it will improve my body functions. All right, यानी कि मेरी डॉक्टर ने मुझे प्रिस्क्राइब किया. Okay, the sentence says, my doctor prescribed me the holistic यहाँ मतलब है treatment. Holistic treatment का मतलब है मजमूई इलाज. That includes herbs and vitamins, and it will improve my body functions. So I am repeating this thing for you, so as you can learn the meaning of this word completely. मेरे डॉक्टर ने मुझे एक ऐसा मजमूई तौर पर इलाज बताया जिसमें हर्ब्स भी शामिल थे. हर्ब्स माने जड़ी बूटियां, और वाइटामिन्स भी शामिल थे, ताकि मेरे बॉडी फंक्शंस जो हैं वो बेहतर हो सकें. ऑलराइट, आई कैन मेक सेकंड सेंटेंस फॉर यू. If you have holistic approach towards your life, certainly you will not see, if you have holistic approach towards your life, certainly you will not have any worry and you will enjoy it completely. क्या मतलब है इसका कि अगर आप अपनी लाइफ की तरफ पूरा अगर ध्यान देते हैं, ठीक है, तो यकीनन आपकी ज़िंदगी में कोई परेशानी नहीं होगी और आप उसे मुकम्मल तौर पर एंजॉय करेंगे. So must enjoy your life, but must learn these words also, because these are also the part of life. You cannot ignore English language, and you cannot learn these words even. This is your original exam. Supple, you know. Do you remember one day I have explained you one word, light? just recall your memory. What's the meaning of light? Supple is the synonym of light. At that time I also wrote same word as synonym, and right now I am using supple and using synonym light for the word supple. Can you recall your memory? Do you so? I think you are not remembering. Let me explain you. Supple means flexible. कुछ याद आया? Soft, अब कुछ याद आया? लचकदार, नरम. So the word supple means naram, lachakdar, light, flexible. Okay. So you have few seconds and you can make sentence of this word as I have written the meaning of this word. So now you should know that how we can convert in sentence. Just make it. Now if you have made sentence or you have formed the sentence, then I am also making the sentence. You can match your sentence with my sentence. These gloves are made of leather and they are very supple. And they are very supple. ठीक है? मतलब कि ये जो gloves हैं, दस्ताने, the use of gloves has been increased. Why? Because of coronavirus. People wear gloves. So these gloves are made of leather and they are very supple. मतलब बहुत नरम है. क्यों नरम है? Because these gloves are made of leather. Now this is your turn that you should make second sentence. I am making second sentence for you so as you can understand the meaning. Make her body supple. She exercises daily to make her body supple. ठीक है? लचकदार बनाने के लिए अपनी बॉडी को नरम मुलायम और लचकदार बनाने के लिए वो डेली बेसिस पर she does exercise. Okay, all right. So this was our fourth word. I made the sentence for you. You should also make sentences so as you can learn. You know, by making sentences, you will able to remember the meanings of these words, and you can know the use of these words as well. All right. So see the fifth word. Last but not the least, it is undermine. Undermine means to weaken. Weaken का मतलब क्या होता है? कमजोर. This is very common word. This has been frequently used in John newspaper. You can see it, and you should make sentences of this word as well. So कमज़ोर करना, think about it and make sentence now. This is your chess session. After giving few seconds, I will make sentence. Have you made sentences or not? Must mention me in comment section. You can send your sentences. I will check them and will explain you that either these sentences are incorrect or correct. Alright? So I am making sentence for you. Nothing can undermine their fast friendship. Fast friendship means गहरी दोस्ती. If you have any best friend, you can say him that I have fast friendship with you. So nothing can undermine their fast friendship. कोई भी उनकी मजबूत दोस्ती को या गहरी दोस्ती को कमजोर नहीं कर सकता है, तोड़ नहीं सकता है. ओके? The second sentence is don't try to undermine my confidence. Don't try to undermine my confidence. यानी कि मेरे कॉन्फिडेंस को कमजोर करने की कोशिश मत करो. ओके? Third sentence you can use. He is exerting his ill efforts to undermine his business. He is exerting his ill efforts. Ill efforts का मतलब होता है बुरी काविशें करना. कोशिश की जमा जो है काविश है, और मतलब कि बुरी कोशिश, बुरी नीयत लगाना कि ताकि उसका बिजनेस जो है ठप हो जाए. तो he is exerting his ill efforts to undermine his business. उसके बिजनेस को कमजोर बनाने के लिए he is exerting ill efforts. I hope so you understood these words which I explained you, which I taught you. I'm your teacher. You can ask me anything about these words and about other words as well. So you can make sentences. I will check them. This is my great effort to make you understand about the vocabulary which is being used in Dawn newspaper, so as you can read articles, opinion page and the front page of Dawn newspaper. And I hope so you like my video and must work hard as I do, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and watch my videos fully and learn on daily basis, and click the bell icon so as you may receive such kind of other videos. तब तक के लिए जुलियाना उस्मान को इजाज़त दीजिए. अल्लाह हाफिज़.